Hey, real estate investors. Ray Burkhalter here with REI Funding Partners, and today I'm bringing you a quick how-to for using the Real Estate Investor CEO Scorecard worksheet. This is an incredibly powerful tool to help real estate investors who are scaling up their business to see if they're working on the right things that they should be as the CEO of the business. As people get started in real estate investing, there are a lot of hats to wear. You've got to be the marketer. You've got to be the one overseeing the property. You've got to be the one finding the deals and selling the deals. And so there's that job of CEO that can sometimes get lost in the mix there, but really it's the most important one because that's the one that's directing where everything's going. And if you're going to be successful and hit your financial targets and achieve financial freedom with real estate investing, you definitely, absolutely have to do a fantastic job as real estate investor CEO. So this worksheet is a great way to help you analyze and see if you're doing the right things. It gives you a score at the bottom. I'm going to show you how to fill it out in just a moment. But it's so powerful because you can look at this and see I'm 60% of CEO of doing the job I need to do, 80%, 90%. And if your score is low, you can see where it's low, and so you'll know what to work on, and it will help you define some priorities to work on as CEO. So there are some instructions here. Yes, I'm not going to read those. You can read those as you're looking at this, but I'm going to just give you a quick guide through. So these 9 questions here are some of the best practices for being a CEO in your real estate investing business. So what you do here simply is just for each of the questions here, you mark a letter. Typically, I'll just put an X in the box that would correspond to the answer for that. So if the marketing system is in place and it's generating the number of leads that it needs, or it's really close, maybe it's not quite consistent yet, I'd give it that. Maybe acquisitions is just doing so we'll put it here. We know specifically the kind of properties at work. Maybe we've done a great job of evaluating that. But maybe we don't have the financial relationships and resources that we need. Maybe our team is not so good at project management to keeping things on time and on budget. Maybe our dispositions is slow. Maybe I don't have a good support team. Maybe I do have an excellent vision of where it's going. I just haven't done everything yet that I want to do. And maybe I need work on my weekly meeting with my team. So you see the percentage calculated automatically. So I can see I'm at 53% efficiency or effectiveness on the chores that I need to be doing as a CEO. So this, again, take this, use it. It is a fantastic tool. As you rate yourself, I would say do this monthly at first and identify. Okay, you can see the areas where your scores are really low. You can pick 1 or 2 of those and work on it for that month, and then come back and reassess. So anyways, you're going to have the tool that goes with this. You've got this video that shows you how to do it. And always you can reach out to us, info@reifundingpartners.com, or you can check us out on our Facebook page or go to our website if you want to fill out a quick app to do a deal. We're here for you in support of real estate investors reaching financial freedom. Until next time, take care and God bless.